Recording.
I didn't want to stop recording. That was weird. I had the wrong button. Let's see if I can scoot over. Yep, I'm scooting. I'll run over here to where my cousin works. Check out my video quality. Pull over. I really want a coffee. Woke up too early. Well, sort of early. I had to pull over because I got off of work. And I was a tired motherfucker. So I pulled over in Thibodeau. Took a little nap. I wasn't on my bike. I was... What is going on? I wasn't on my bike. I was on... I was in my van. Am I fucking recording in slow motion? I'm seeing numbers move, but they're moving real slow. Yeah, I make my own sound effects. I got a perfectly good exhaust that puts out enough sound for everybody. Well, I don't know about this video anyway, but I tend to add sound effects to everything. I wonder if everybody does that, or am I the crazy one? I also noticed that when I'm using a pair of pliers, I find myself biting down as though my teeth are gripping whatever I'm trying to grab with the pliers. It's really bizarre. I don't know if it's hereditary, if the rest of my family does it or not, but I certainly do it. And I know I've asked some people. My cousin doesn't do it. He says he doesn't. Who knows? Well, here we go. Seems like every time I ride the bike over here, it rains on me. So we're about to find out, test that theory.